I am currently working on piecing together some of the backend logic to kind of get different automated pieces of my platform created and working. Yeah. So with that, I'm gonna clean my glasses off because they're gross, and we're gonna dive into it. Let's see. Do 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 do. Let's see. Main. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Let's do this. And yep. And we're gonna grab line chain service, throw the main over here, minimize that. So what you guys can't see is on my other screen, I am leveraging different LLMs to kind of help me through this process. So yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Da, 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 da. All right. I know this stuff is like terribly exciting, huh? All right. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. All right. So we have needs to go above that, and then let's rearrange these a bit, just to pretend that it makes me feel better. You know what I mean? Oops. Chain. Typing. And then the rest of our imports. Okay. Let's see. To import. Yeah. Okay. Fine. All right. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do redaction keys. And we're done on React. API key. Authorization. X internal off. Really? Okay, filter record. Okay. I don't want it that way. I want to do. I can't type. All right, is instance record arg for key value in record args items. Oops. Then record in self dot redacted keys. What? Key equal redacted, return true. Okay. Longer, get longer. All right. After. Wait, what? Oh, because I'm stupid, that's why. Need to provide this block after we do that. And we'll do it like that. Mm-hmm. Bum, 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 bum. Um, I have a whisker that keeps folding up and poking my nose. It's so irritating. So irritating. Okay. Put that there. Why are you doing that? Whatever. Oops. Hit the wrong button. What? Oh, shit. All right, we're already on that. Wow. Okay. All right. Execute endpoint. Okay. File so I can. Ugh. Awesome. Okay. So now we come here, and I need to grab backend core. Actually, before I do that, let's go ahead and take you and you, and go bye-bye. We're gonna grab our settings. Then I want to grab, see, had me start with that. I don't know that I want to use that though. So I think we will do this and do this. Oh, no, can't copy that. All right, so let's do this one, rename, and this came from core API, signals, and rename you. If I can right click on it. Tendency signals, and then we will take you, 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 and you. All right, so backend core settings, backend tenancy models, and both backend. Let's see, signal and backend core API signals. Chain. But all right, let's see what this tells me to fix. It says, oh, you've got it all wrong. Established. All right, reviewed them, and we'll proceed to integration. Yep, agreed. We'll disregard the content of that. So, can I dump it? So let's put this back the way it was. Okay. Sorry, I had to read through that. Let's see if that's what I really wanted. All right, so signals, goodbye. And instead, tenancy, signals, hello. All right. Let's see. Signal handler. Moving down the app. All right, so in my settings, I already have that. Do I have... Oops. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh, so they're all three right there. Shoot. Okay, sorry, I gotta move this over here because I gotta open up my environmental file and see if I have the LangChain internal auth secret. I do. All right, so now we come back over here, drop you there, and we're gonna grab you. We'll add you there. I hate how like discombobulated the settings file can get. It's super weird. I don't like it. Okay. Anyways. All right, so we need a signal handler. Replace the contents with the following. Ew. But I don't. That doesn't make sense. Why does it want me to do that? Trigger user. Yeah, so sorry, I get lost and I don't remember to talk. The okay, the new implementation request log settings go to the top of the file. Oh yeah, no problem. It was telling me, oh, just take this whole file and replace it with this, and what it wanted me to replace it with didn't actually encapsulate everything that this already did. So yeah, that would have been bad. Yeah, I don't know why. Whatever. So I have receiver, save post, settings. Apparently I need logger, get logger. Why the fuck do I need that? Whatever. All right. And then this big dumb thing. All right. Struct and the future step provide configure will fetch it. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Sure. Sorry. I yawned. I'm really tired. I haven't been sleeping well. My brain's been killing me a lot lately. And I don't like it. Do. Yeah, okay. So yeah, that's fine. And then in you, why do I have to do that? Oh, but I need to do this. Buildings. Make sure we have everything saved. File, save all. Hopefully it doesn't die. We'll see if it does. Yep, that's doing a bit. All right. Alrighty then. So, Docker, create a test user and tenant. Do what? Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. What? What? Models. Yeah, because it's not in here. Bummer. Pretty sure it's just gonna want this. Ship. Yeah. Yep, that's what I thought. Punk. Membership. We can leave that there. That's fine. I don't care about that. Or we'll kill it. That's fine. Okay. Let's try that again. So one thing that I find really frustrating trying to work through and figure this stuff out is the simple fact that because this is out of my wheelhouse of skills or whatever you want to call it, I find myself like running into stupid little issues that I shouldn't be. And sometimes they kind of trip me up because I don't know what I don't know. So yeah, it's good times. Hmm. Sorry, don't mind me. So let's see. Test user. Go here. Docker compose logs. Oops. Okay. All right. Let's do this. Let's delete him. Let's see. Okay, that's fine. Add membership. What? It's not talking about this one, is it? Okay, maybe it is. Okay, so correct fix for this, just changing all of the dict to dict. Oh, no, it's not. So let's go here and go. Oh, that's fine. Home and like that doesn't make sense to me. Whatever. I know nothing. I really don't know anything. So let's refresh over here. Bring up the logs. What? Lane chain. What are you talking about? 192. Internal sync rate. Depends on verify internal. What? What in the who? Yay. Okay, so can't verify internal secret. Get out of that. Okay, add this. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay. All right. That's fine. Nothing threw a fit there. active. Save. And oh, okay. Line 26. Post internal error. Let's call back endpoint function. Instance. Okay, so failed error. Delete. Save. Okay, well, I guess I screwed that up. Fine. Yeah, so this is kind of what I do with a lot of things is I try something, it fails. I try to figure out the failure myself, but a lot of times I get stuck. And so I need help and I hand it off and I get something back. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes something else breaks, and other times it's just a giant, my head hurts trying to figure out all the things that are happening. You know, all of this stuff is way outside of what I ever thought I would be able to do, what I, you know, was comfortable trying, like the whole 9 yards. So yeah, it's been a journey, and it's continuing to be a journey. I mean, I still want to get through it and I want to get past it, because I think it could be a really cool thing if I get it to work the way I see it working in my brain. So, but anyways, I'm gonna kind of call it quits here for today. I'm gonna keep working on it. I'm just gonna stop recording because I haven't been saying a whole lot, so I apologize for that. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted in the next one on what's happening. Thanks for joining me.